Okay, I hope you have tried practice question 3. If not, you should try it and then pause this video and try the question before you check your answer. Okay, so this is the answer for practice question 3, more or less the same as practice question 2. Okay, so if you need some explanation, we are asked to show that y is decreasing. So this means that we need to show that dy over dx is less than 0 for x being less than 1 as well as x being greater than 1. Okay, so of course in order to do that you have to differentiate the function of y with respect to x. After you differentiate already, you just have to show or write statements to prove that the derivative function is always negative for all values of x that are in lesser than 1 as well as x values that are greater than 1. Okay, then you just have to write your concluding statement. So for showing questions like that, it's more or less quite straightforward. There's no other concepts, right, besides this. Okay, if everything is okay, we can move on to our next example. Exercise 13.2 question 3. So there is a equation y equals to x cubed plus 3x. You're asked to find dy dx. Okay, so part 1, straightforward. You literally just differentiate. You just differentiate the function with respect to x using your power rule. Okay, so this is part 1's answer. Part 2, hence show that y increases as x increases for all values of x. So this is asking you to prove that it's an increasing function, right? So hence means you have to use part A's answer. Okay, so how do I prove that y increases as x increases for all values? You have to show that the dy dx function is always greater than 0, right? And then since it's always greater than 0, it's an increasing function, therefore y increases as x increases. Okay, so how do we show that? We use our understanding of x squared, right? So you know that for all real values of x, 3x squared is greater than or equals to 0, right? And then so 3x squared plus 3 will be strictly greater than 0. Okay, so therefore the dy over dx is greater than 0. So since dy over dx is greater than or equals to 0, y is an increasing function and y increases, then you just use the statement in the question as x increases for all values of x. That. Okay, so this is question 13 exercise 13.2 question 3. Okay, with this you can also now try the next question. Okay, so you can try the next few questions in the worksheet. I will upload the answers into the Google Classroom. Okay, I would also like to check your answers, your working, so I will be collecting this to mark, right? So after this, if you still have time, you should be trying out rates of change, which is the next chapter that we are going to learn in chapter 13. Okay, so that will be in 13.3 under rates of change. I will upload a video. I'll upload lesson package on SLS for you to attempt. Alright, so I will see you all in the next lesson. Bye.